present level crossing in Tauranga. Now this level crossing, it previously used to have Western Cullen haze and Griswold mechanical bells, and I also think that some of the lights used to be incandescent. But anyway, we've now got some sets of Western Cullen haze lights have been retrofitted to LEDs, as you can see up here. And we've got 3 sets of Western Cullen haze lights retrofitted to LEDs and 2 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights as well, as you can see. And then we've got Kyosan barrier mechanisms. And then we've also got 2 Western Cullen haze e-bells on either side of the crossing. And now this is one of the crossings I didn't manage to film when the last time I was in Tauranga, which was back in July, but I'm here now to film it. So there's the other Western Cullen haze e-bells, as you can see. So yeah, I've now come back to film it. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.